My name is Miguel Lancha. I'm the cocktail innovator for Jose Andres Timpe Group. And today we're in Mercado Little Spain in New York City. What we're trying to bring here at Mercado Little Spain is basically bringing Spanish drinking, dining culture to the United States. Generally speaking, the drinking habits in Spain are more about beer, cider, sherry, wine, sangria, vermouth. And then also showcasing things like traditional cocktails, if you will. The pomade from Menorca, the calimocho from the north of Spain. We're doing the rebujito from Andalusia, the media combinación, which is a super classic aperitif cocktail from Madrid. And of course, we can't leave apart the Porron with all the party and festive spirit that it brings. And that's what we're showcasing here, not only for drinking, also for food, and how we pair them, how we marry them. Counting on Torres Brandy was a no-brainer. It's Spanish brandy. It's one of the biggest and best representations of what brandy is in Spain. Torres is one of the best examples of that, representation, not only in the style and flavor and the making of it. They were also one of the first companies that took really good care to showcase what Spanish making of spirits was like to the rest of the world. Basically, Torres represents Spain.